Okay, so how are you all doing today? So we are back today with another version of another tutorial for n8n, and we are going to see the application of the workflow and what different kind of application can we make. Okay, so let's start on a new slate. Let's go to personal. Let's create a new workflow. Okay, yeah, by the way, I forgot to rename the previous one. So that was, let's say, today we are going to create yet another version of TalkGPT, this time with OpenAI models. Okay. All right. So I think this will be a pretty short one because we are going to have almost similar kind of nodes and interactions going on. But this time we'll be having OpenAI connected as a chat model. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, let's have a trigger. I will go again with the chat message. Then to this chat message, I'll be adding a AI agent. Okay, and what error does it give here? Issues. So no node connected to required input chat model. All right, don't worry, we are going to add a chat model node to it. Okay, so how so I am just navigating to make some extra space, extra room for our adding the different kind of node. So for that I just selected both of these nodes and dragged them up or down. Okay, or anything like this. Okay, again, if you want to bring it to the middle, you can press on zoom to fit and maximize, minimize, and tidy up the things. Now this time we are going to add the model as OpenAI chat model. Yeah, and to this again we are going to add the credentials. So it is very important, very imperative to keep it in your mind that when you are working with OpenAI, you need to spend some amount of money, I think, when you create your account in OpenAI. And if you want to get some API key from there, you need to have, I think $5 is something that you can start with from there. But yeah, once you are done with that, adding $5 to your wallet, then you can get an API key from there, and then come up over here. And then since I've already added it in my credential, that's the reason we are able to see this OpenAI account. Otherwise, if you want to start afresh, just click on create new credential, paste the API key, and then you can simply save this and close this. So upon saving it, you will see something in green saying that the account is successfully configured, something like that, if I'm not wrong. And then you can close this, and then you can obviously come to models. Let us select a model as GPT 4o mini. Let us see if there's one. Yeah, it's there. And then let us close this. Either close this or press escape. Okay, once we are done with that, then I think the workflow is almost complete. And now we can come over here in the chat and start chatting with our OpenAI model this time. Not the Open Router. This time we are working or interacting with the OpenAI chat model. So let's begin. Hi there. You see the executions were happening, and then it came up with a successful message like, hello, how can I assist you today? Now, if you click on AI agent, you can see different things happening. So you can see our input chat input as hi there. That was us giving the input to the AI, and then the output that we received here was hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, so that is about how we can actually interact with an OpenAI model. Also, it's obviously almost similar to OpenRouter. The only thing was to add in the credentials for OpenAI. Okay, obviously you can add your chat message, the comments here to represent any special nodes, so that whenever you come to your workflow next time, you will remember what you have done. Let's say if you want to add a note here, or let's say if you want to add a note here to the AI agents, you can obviously do so. All right. So I think that is all for today. But yeah, before leaving, let's type in a comment here. Let's say like added a OpenAI model using a GPT 4o mini LLM. Okay. And this is the AI agent. Oh, sorry. Okay. One more thing, on clicking any node, you will see both these sections as input and output. And similar to this, we saw the same thing in AI agent also as input and output. Okay. What does this has to say is like it will show you the entire stack trace of what all things happened. Like the first message was from human, that means from myself, hi there, and then it actually made use of the OpenAI API key, and then what was the output that we received was hello, how can I assist you today? So I think that's a great starting point for us to create our own version of the so-called chatter or converse GPT kind of thing, like how we have named it as TalkGPT. And then you should be proud that you have created your own Gemini chat or Claude chat or chat GPT kind of an application. So I think that's a great starting point for us. So that is all for today. We'll meet in the next video with some more information and with some more excitement coming up. There are lots of things that you can explore, and this is completely a field where you can keep on experimenting with a number of things. This is just the beginning. You are just touching the tip. You can go ahead and practice and experiment with any number of different kinds of nodes and see how the things behave. Okay. In the next video, I'm thinking of checking out a different kind of trigger. I think webhook should be a good starting point. So yeah, we'll be looking into that. All right. Thank you very much for your time then. Have a great day. Bye.